Automate Customer Service Tasks App. The pros, the cons. Automate Customer Service Tasks app is designed for businesses looking to streamline support and improve response times. Most people get this wrong by assuming automation reduces personalization, but here's the surprising truth. When implemented correctly, I can handle repetitive inquiries while keeping customer interactions natural and satisfying. The major pro of this app is intelligent ticket management. It can automatically categorize, prioritize, and assign customer requests, ensuring urgent issues are addressed quickly. For example, a retail company can route shipping inquiries directly to the right team without manual sorting. Another advantage is iChat and email responses. The app generates accurate, personalized replies for common questions, freeing human agents to focus on complex issues. You won't believe how much faster customer issues are resolved when repetitive tasks are automated. The app also integrates with CRM and helpdesk systems, providing analytics on response times, customer satisfaction, and workload distribution. This helps businesses continuously improve service quality and identify bottlenecks. On the downside, advanced setup may require technical knowledge, and some unusual customer requests may still need manual handling. However, overall efficiency gains and improved customer satisfaction make automation highly worthwhile. In conclusion, Automate Customer Service Tasks app is perfect for businesses aiming to optimize support operations. By intelligently managing tickets, automating replies, and providing actionable insights, it increases efficiency, reduces response times, and enhances customer experience. For any company seeking scalable support solutions, this app is an essential tool.